Hey there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into a handy tip on how to recover Instagram deleted photos on your phone. Trust me, it's easier than you might think. So, picture this, you've accidentally deleted some photos on Instagram, and now you're panicking because you can't seem to find them anywhere. Fear not. There's still hope. Instagram actually keeps your deleted photos for up to 30 days after they've been removed. The best part? You can access them directly from your phone. Let me intentionally delay this post from my profile. Then let's try to recover this photo. All you need to do is open the app, head over to your profile, and click on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on a Settings, followed by Activity, and finally select You will find all deleted photos of your profile. That's it. There they are, all your deleted photos waiting for you to recover them. You can now recover these photos by tapping at the three dots at the right corner, then select a Recover from the list of options. And that's it, folks. I hope this little hack comes in handy for you next time you accidentally delete some Instagram photos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks.